Hey guys, so today we're gonna be building this guy right here. Whoa. I didn't know if I can even build something like that, but I had a little printout, my trusted jigsaw and a projector, and this was reasonable after a copious amount of painting and more painting, but here we are, so let's see how it's built. For this one, we're actually going to sacrifice an old weightlifting platform. So if somehow, Ward, you ever see this, I'm sorry, buddy. I got this printout brought into Sherwin-Williams to color match, and it's not quite close, but apparently their scanner does not take ink for some reason, the ink paper or whatever, the ink printer. And so, but looking at paints was actually really hard. It's almost like trying to sniff the perfume where after 5 or 6 it's all the same and nothing looks close. So, but now this will be the He-Man brown, so fingers crossed. We're gonna go put the top layer on and see how it goes. And I did the black here for the same reason like I did the black, let's see, with the Volt Boy, because it looks good from the front, but then you go from the side, it gets a little bit better 3D effect. And so whatever spillage I have over, I have to touch up and paint by hand, but you know, by the end of the day, it comes out excellent, so we want the same thing here. All right, let's do the He-Man brown. So what we're gonna do is just dab all this paint so that we spread it, but we don't brush it off because it'll start catching. Like we can brush it this way, but not this way because it'll start leaking. So it's a bit of a pain in the butt, but art requires sacrifice. We're gonna try the black little lines and see how that all comes alive or not. Well, right now he looks kind of more surprised than that, but I'll have to keep on painting and hopefully in the end he'll look alright. But for now, I'm not sold, so we'll see what happens. For the ton, I have some pink paint already, and I don't want to buy a whole quart or whatever this is called of the regular paint because I'll never use it unless I start doing Hello Kitty something, which I'm not planning on. So I'm gonna tape it off and just spray it and then contour the black. So so after a bunch of hours of painting, here we are. The human's all done.
I got the, for lack of a better item, I got a drill for scale. Really like that the blade is two-tone. Way more difficult projects than all I've done up until this point. I mean, not that hard cutting out the shape, but as far as the painting, all these little skinny lines, that took quite some time, but look at it though. And it's like 1 o'clock in Florida now, and the sun is beating really high. The gold is shining real hard. I can't stop staring at this thing, it's pretty amazing. But thanks you guys for watching, great success, and until the next one.